Hello friends, yesterday we have started with chapter number 3. In that we have completed exercise 3.1, 3 sums. Now going for the next sum. So yesterday started 3.1 and completed sum number 1, sum number 3 and sum number 4. Sum number 1 was about raw data, sum number 3 was about discrete data, and sum number 4 was about continuous data. Now again, as I said, sum number 2 and 5 we will see at the last after completing all the sums, other sums which are left. So now we are going for the 6th sum. The information of profits in lakh rupees of 50 firms are given below. Find the mean profit. Again you need to find the mean. Again it is a class wise continuous data. Now friends, one more thing I will tell you, that in sum number 6 and sum number 7 and in sum number 4, classes are given. Now in 4th sum exclusive classes, 6th sum exclusive classes, 7th sum inclusive classes. But friends, I may need to say you that in finding mean, whether the class is inclusive or exclusive, the answer will not change. Okay, so let us do that sum. So exercise 3.1, and in that solving sum number 6. Profit. Like this is class. Number of forms, it is frequency f. We need mid value x, and finally fx. Classes are 0 to 7, 7 to 14, 14 to 21, 21 to 28, 28 to 35. Again, which totals are required? Sigma fx upon sigma n. So sigma f is equals to n. We may write the frequency 4, 9, 18, 12, 7. Now, midways, upper plus lower by 2. So 7 plus 0 by 2 is 3.5. 14 plus 7 by 2 is 10.5. 14 plus 22 by 2 is 17.5. 21 plus 28 by 2 is 24.5. 28 plus 35 by 2 is 31.5. Now fx means multiplication of both this. 3.5 to 4 is 14, 10.5 to 9 is 94.5, 18 into 17.5 is 315, 12 into 24.5 is 294, 31.5 into 7 is 220.5. 14, 94.5, 315, 294, to 2. To 20.5 is 938. 4, 9, 18, 12, 7, 50. Mean x bar is equals to sigma fx upon n. 938 by 50. 938 by 50 is 18.76 lakh rupees. So this is the sum. Okay, very simple sum. Going for the next 7th sum. Simple sums are given. This is nothing new for you. Okay, so we are going little bit speedy. 7th sum. Distribution of demand of an item of different days is as follows. Find the mean demand. Demand units is given, number of days is sum number 7. Demand in units, this is class. Number of days is frequency f. Mid value x and fx. 5 to 14, 15 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 49, 50 to 64, 65 to 79, 4, 17, 19, 22, 18, 10. Okay, 5 plus 14 by 2 is 9.5. 15 plus 24 by 2 is 19.5. 25 plus 34 by 2 is 29.5. 35 plus 49 by 2 is 42. 50 plus 64 by 2 is 57. 65 plus 79 by 2 is 72. Sigma f is equals to n. Sigma fx. 4 into 9.5 is 38. 17 into 19.5 is 331.5. 19 into 29.5 is 560.5. 22 into 42 is 924. 18 into 57 is 1026. 10 into 72 is 720. 38, 331.5, 560.5, 924, 1026, 720 is 3600. 4, 17, 19, 22, 18, 10 is 90. Mean x bar is equals to sigma fx upon n. 3600 upon 90 is 40 units. 9 4 36. So friends, simple sums are what? That is sum number 1, 3, 4, 6 and 7. These all are simple sums. Now friends, we are going for the two special sums, that is sum number 2 and sum number 5. Now friends, what's special about sum number 2? Let us read on page number 78, sum number 2. The mean age of 4 participants in a relay race was calculated to be 24 years. Later on, it was found that one of the participants' age was actually 27 years but was wrongly recorded as 25 years. If there is rule where it is not possible to participate if the race if the mean age is more than 25 years, can they participate in the race even after the correction of age? Okay friends, what they are telling here, mean age means mean of 4 participants, so n is 4, is given as 24. Mean of 4 participants is given as 24 years, means average age is 24. Now we have made a mistake in one of the participants' age. it was actually 27 years, but was wrongly taken as 25 years. Now they are telling that even if you are correcting the mean, if the mean is more than 25 years, then they cannot participate in the race. So first of all, what you will do, you will find the corrected mean and you will check whether the answer is more than 25, then they cannot participate. If the answer is less than 25, then they can participate. Okay. So first we will write what is given in sum number 2. Mean age of 4 participants, comma, x bar is equals to 24 years. Number of participants, n is equals to 4. Correct observation is equals to 27 years. Wrong observation is equals to 25 years. Minimum average age for participation is 25 years. This 25 and this 25 are different. Can they participate after correction of x bar? This is the simple interpretation of question. That mean age of 4 participants, x bar is 20, number of participants n is 4, correct observation is 27, wrong observation is taken as 25, and minimum age means average age for participation is 25 years. Can they participate after correction of x bar? So we need to correct the x bar first. So we will give the heading for correcting mean age x bar. For correcting mean age x bar, how we will do? X bar is equals to sigma x upon n. Why I am using only sigma x upon n? Because frequency is not used here, directly we are doing. X bar is 24. Sigma x we will find and n is 4. Why we need to find sigma x? Because in total of all the age, one observation is wrongly taken. So we need the total again, then we can correct the total. So 24 into 4 is equals to sigma x. Therefore, sigma x is equals to 96. Means the sum of age of all participants is 96. Now we need to correct this. Therefore, corrected sigma x is equals to sigma x minus wrong observation plus correct observation. This we have learnt in standard 10th also. For correcting the mean from the total means sigma x, deduct the wrong observation and take the correct observation. Sigma x is 96, wrong observation is 25 and correct observation is 27. So now it will become 98. Corrected sigma x is now 98. Therefore, corrected x bar is equals to corrected sigma x divided by n. 98 divided by 4 is 24.5 years. Corrected x bar. Now friends, previously x bar means average age was 24. After correcting the observation, it is becoming 24.5. So what I said, if the average is less than 25 years, means minimum it is required 25 years. Less than 25, then we can participate. But if it is more than 25, then we cannot participate. Now we can participate. Thus, after correction of x bar, the mean age is 24.5 years. Thus, it is possible to participate in relay race. Now, as the condition is fulfilled, we can participate in this relay race. Okay, friends. So this is the sum. This is little bit important sum. Okay. Yes. Now moving for the fifth sum. Last sum of this exercise. Now fifth sum, the following information is available on the talk time in minute noted for 70 calls of a certain mobile user. Find the mean talk time. Now again we want to find the mean, but which type of data is this? Is it a continuous data, discrete data or raw data? It is not any type of data. Why? Because less than 4, less than 8, less than 12, less than 16, less than 20. So this is a cumulative frequency distribution with less than type. How? Less than is there. Or you can see the frequency that 20, 42, 57, 65, 70 goes till 70. And in the question itself they are telling that total there are 70 calls. And how last call can be total 70? So all this total must be 70, but directly upside total is given. So we have learned in less than time. We will start from the 0 and we will go till total. They are not starting here with 0. They are directly starting, no problem with that. But what we have learned in that, start with 0, go till total. And for more than time, start with total and go with 0. So here, first of all, we need to convert this less than time cumulative frequency distribution into normal classes. Now where we want to remember that in less than time cumulative frequency, opposite to it upper boundary points are given and first is lower. So first class would be 4 to 8, then 8 to 12, then 12 to 16, then 16 to 20. In this way the classes will go. Okay, so you should remember this thing. So first we need to convert this data and then we can find the mean. So this sum is little bit different from other sums. Okay. Sum number 5. Converting less than type cumulative frequency distribution into normal classes. First we need to convert this distribution into normal classes. Yes. So less than time cumulative distribution, in that we have each as upper boundary points and we will have cumulative frequency CF. Now we will convert it into normal class. So normal distribution, in that we will obtain class from it and frequency f from it, and this class will be minutes. The unit is in minutes. Now after that we need mid-value x, and finally there are so much column. The reason is simple. First of all, a less than type distribution is given, so 2 columns for it, upper boundary point and cumulative frequency. After that we will find the normal distribution with normal classes and frequency, and after that mid value and this thing. Okay, so first we'll write here less than 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Cumulative frequencies 20, 42, 57, 65, 7. Now we are drawing the columns. Okay, we need sigma fx, we need sigma f is equals to n, and no other properties. So friends, this is the ready data. Now for converting it, 0 is not good. Okay, so all are upper boundary points only. So okay friends, one more thing, as this is not started from the 0, as this thing is not started from 0, so I have made one mistake. First class will be 0 to 4, not 4 to 8. Why? The reason is simple. Because in less than type, all are upper boundary points and first is lower, but that 0 is not. Here also frequency is not starting from the 0. Actually, it should start from the 0. So these all are upper. So in first class, 4 will be upper. Then in second class, 8 will be upper, 12 will be upper, 16 will be upper, 20 will be upper. If I am talking about the upper boundary points, then 4 will be upper, 8 will be upper, 12, 16, all are uppers. Then what is the lower of previous class? 12, here 8, here 4. Then what should be here? Here it should be 0. Why it is 0? The reason is simple. Please try to understand. All are upper boundary point. First is lower, but this CF should start from 0. CF is not starting with 0. So let all be upper boundary points. If you are writing first class as 4 to 8, then one class will remain. Actually, one class will remain here, so that is not possible. So what we have done, all are directly upper. Then what is the first node? All have 4, 4 gap. So 4 minus 4 is 0. This thing is to be kept in mind. That here, see 4, 8, 12, 16 all are upper and they are next lower. 4 here, 8 here, 12 here, 16 here. But here value was missing. Here what to write? Everyone has 4, 4 difference. So here also if we have to keep the difference of 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 8 minus 4 is 4, 12 minus 4 is 8. That is done and here difference is 4, so we will come 0. Now how to find the frequency? So friends, as 0 is not given, the first frequency is the first cumulative frequency itself. Because if 0 was given, if 0 was given, see suppose here 0 was to be given and here also 0 was to be given. So 20 minus 0 is 21. Okay, so 0 is not given, so first CF will be the first frequency itself. Now subtract from here to here. 42 minus 20 is 20. 57 minus 42 is 15. 65 minus 57 is 8. 70 minus 65 is 5. Now let us check whether the total is 70 or not. 20, 22, 15, 8, 5 is 70. Only one thing is to be understood in this sum. In chapter number 2, this thing was not there. Because whenever we need to convert the less than type into normal classes, the cumulative frequency was starting with 0 compulsory. And more than type was ending with 0 compulsory. But here it is not. So let all the in less than type, let all be uppers only. So all I have kept upper and next lower. So here it was missing. Each one has 4 difference. So here it should be 0 to keep the difference of. Okay, so here 20 minus 0 is 20. Then again it's subtracting like this. And we are getting this. Okay. Now we will find the mean value. 0 plus 4 by 2 is 2. 6, 10, 14, 18. You can do with your calculators also, but here only the difference is 4, 4. So 2, then plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 4, 18. You can do like that also. Now fx, 22s are 40. 22 into 6 is 132. Then 150. 14 8s are 112. 18 5s are 90. 40, 132, 150, 112 and 90. It's 594. Yes. Now, mean x bar is equals to sigma fx upon n. 524 divided by 70. 524 divided by 70 is 7.485 is there. So we will write 49. You learn how to round off. See, in calculator it is showing 7.48571. Now in statistics, always in accounts and statistics we are writing 2 decimals. After the decimal point we are writing 2 values. Now see, 2 values is actually 7.48. But you need, you know the rule, everyone. If the third value, if the next value is 5 or more than 5, then this 8 will become 9. Or if it is less than 5, then it should remain for 8 only. Okay? So you should know to round off also. And in minutes. This is in minutes. So friends, this exercise is over. So exercise 3.1 is over. Now we are going for the next topic. In exercise 3.1, we have learned arithmetic mean, which means arithmetic mean. Now in exercise 3.2, we will learn 2 different types of mean, that is combined mean and weighted mean. So first of all, we are writing the formula for combined mean. Giving the heading. Now actually what is combined mean? Combined mean is the general mean of all. If in the question they are giving 2 different means and 2 different types of data, then if you want to find the overall mean, then it is known as combined mean. Now combined mean is denoted by x bar. Now as this is combined mean, so x bar c. So combined mean is denoted by x bar c. C is little bit down, and the formula is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus dot 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 plus N and x bar n divided by n1 plus n2 plus dot 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 till nn. So this is the formula for combining. In book they are using the word k instead of nn. We are using the word k, where x bar c is combined mean, k is constant value. First observation means first type of data and its observations and its mean both multiply, and then add second type of data's observations and second type of mean till how much is given. Normally in some 3 types of given, or 4 or 5 or they can give, but normally 3 types are given. So if 3 types is given, then n1 plus n2 plus n3, and here n1 x1 bar, n2 x2 bar, and n3 x3 bar. So this is the combined means formula. Okay, now let us first solve the sums for combined mean. Then after that we will write the formula for weighted mean. Okay friends, now come to page number 81, exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2 first one. The mean daily wage paid to 75 skilled workers of a factory was 280 rupees, whereas the mean daily wage paid to 125 unskilled workers was 150. Find the mean wage of all workers. See, one type of data is given, so number of observations and mean is given. Second type of data is given, so number of observation and mean is given. We have to find the overall mean. Yes, first of all we will write the data. So we are in exercise 3.2 and in that solving sum number 1. Okay. Now first type of data is skilled workers. So the mean daily wage paid to 75 skilled workers. So number of workers are 75 workers, and their mean x1 bar is 280. So in the first type of data, n1 is 75 workers and x1 bar is 280 rupees. Now, in second type of data, that is n2, there are 125 workers and their mean wage is x2 bar is 150 rupees. Now what we need, x bar c question. So here two type of data is given. So we will write the formula as per it. So x bar c is equals to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar. Now write the formula till here only, plus divide by n1 plus n2. Because we have two type of observation, write data till like this. If we have 3, then write 3 also. So 75 multiply 280 plus 125 multiply 150 divided by 75 plus 125. Don't make the mistake in writing the data. 75 into 280 is 21,000 plus 125 into 150 is 18,750 divided by 200. So 21,000 plus 18,750 is 39,750 divided by 200, 198.75 is x bar. So the mean wage of all the workers is 198.75. Okay friends, so this was the first sum of combined mean. Second sum is of weighted mean, we'll solve after. Third sum is also for weighted mean, we'll solve after. Now we are going for the fourth sum of exercise 3.2. Okay. Now we are going for sum number 4. the mean marks of a student in 7 theory papers is 62. So mean is 62 and there are 7 theory papers, so N1 is 7, X1 bar is 62. What should be the mean marks in 3 practical examinations? So that is mean marks for the entire exam is 68. Now you understand the thing. See, they are telling about 7 theory papers and its mean is 62. So N1 is 7, X1 bar is 62. Now again N2 is 3 practical subjects. And what should be the marks? So X bar 2 is not given and they are giving the entire examinations average is 68. So X bar C is given 68. Don't make the mistake. If you understand that this is X bar 2, then this is not proper. So understand the question, we are reading it again. Mean marks of a student in 7 theory papers. So N1 is 7 is 62. So X1 bar is 60. What should be the mean marks? Means what should be the mean marks in 3 other subjects? So N2 is 3. What should be the mean marks? So X bar 2 is unknown. And so that his marks in entire examination means in all the subjects become 68. So N1 is 7 papers. X1 bar is 62 marks. N2 is 3 papers. And what should be its mean? So X bar 2 is unknown. X bar C is 68 marks. So if we split the formula, then we will get the unknown value. So X bar C is equals to N1 X1 bar plus N2 X2 bar divided by N1 plus N2. 68 is equals to 7 into 62 plus 3 into X bar 2 divided by 7 plus 3. So 68 is equals to 7 into 62, 434 plus 3x bar 2 divided by 10. So 68, 10 we will transfer here into 10 as it was division, it comes here in multiplication. Is equals to 434 plus 3x bar 2. Now 680 is equals to 434 plus 3x bar 2. I may say one thing. Don't transfer directly 680 minus 434. First multiply here, then write the thing, then again take this step. 680, here it is plus, so here it is minus, is equals to 3x bar 2. What other people will do? 68 into 10, 680 and directly they will transfer it here. Mathematically it is wrong. If you think it is correct, then it is as per you, but mathematically and technically it is wrong. Now this subtraction is 246 is equals to 3x bar 2. 246 divided by 3 is equals to x bar 2, 80. Therefore, x bar 2 is equals to 82 marks. Okay, so this was about the combined mean. Now we are writing the formula for weighted mean. So the two sums for combined mean are over. Very simple formula is there. Okay. All this is, most is repetition of 10th standard only. Now we are writing the new formula. Give the heading. Weighted mean. Now mean is denoted by x bar. If it is combined mean, then x bar c. If it is weighted mean, then x bar w is equals to sigma xw divided by sigma w. Okay, so this is the formula for finding out the weighted mean. X bar w is equals to sigma x into w divided by sigma w. So we need one column which multiplies x and w. Okay. Now we are going for the second sum of equal to. 81 page. Find the weighted mean of percentage change in the prices of sugar of data. Food item column is given, weight is W and percentage change in price, that is X. Why X is given afterwards, it is up to the book. See, weight means W only. So the remaining column is X. Okay, that is a common sense. Food item. Now weight is given. So weight is denoted by W. Percentage change in price. Now friends, why this is X? Because this is W, so the remaining value is X only. We need a column which multiplies XW. Rice, wheat, tea, sugar, pulses. 7, 10, 5, 8, 2. 124, 125, 115, 97, 1. Which column's total is required? Sigma XW divided by sigma W. Sorry. Instead of frequency here, weight is given, nothing changed in the sum. Okay. 134 into 7, 938. 10 into 125 is 1250. 115 into 5, 575. 97 into 8, 776. 120 into 2, 240. 938, 1250, 575, 776, 240. 3779. 7, 10, 5, 8, 2, 30. Now, weighted mean X bar W is equals to sigma XW divided by W. 3779 divided by 32. 3779 divided by 32 is 118.09, and again 3 is given, so it is not required. Now what is the unit? Percentage change in price. So it is, unit is always dependent on X. It is percentage change in price, so 118.09%. Okay. Now the last sum for exercise 3.2, that is third sum. Again it is for weighted mean. All are very simple sums, friends. On page number 82, 2 officers, 10 clerks, 3 peons contributed for a staff picnic. The contribution collected per person is shown in the following table. Officer 1000, clerk 500, peon 200. Find the mean contribution per person using weighted mean. This is correct that we need to find it through weighted mean. But what will become X and what will become W? By looking the sum, you directly said that if sir is telling, then this is correct. But here no clue is given that how to decide which is X and which is W. So refer the second question, you will understand one thing from the second question. Again I am reading question number 2. Find the weighted mean of percentage change in price. Weighted mean of what? Of percentage change in price. So the mean which we need to find becomes our X. Percentage change in price became X because, why it became X? Because weight column was given, directly it is now X. From that sum it is simple to understand that weight column is given, so it is W, so the remaining column is X. But actually what is the thing, if you need to understand technically, then read the question. Find the weighted mean of what? Percentage change in price. So percentage change in price is X and remaining is W. Now here, last line, find the mean contribution. So contribution is our X now. Contribution is 1,500 and 200. That contribution is X, and remaining number of clerks, officers, 2 officers, 10 clerks, 3 peons are our W. In other way also that are W only. How? W is type of weightage. Weightage in exam, how we say that this question carries 2 marks, this question carries 5 marks. In exam if we are telling like this about the weightage, so that becomes our weightage. Now in this sum, why clerks, officers and peons are becoming weightage? Because rupees are given. Now who is given how much? 2 officers are giving, 10 clerks are giving. So it again shows the weightage of employees. In that way also you can understand. So friends, understand the question technically, otherwise we will not get anything. Okay? So third question. Type of employee, that is officer, clerk, peon. Contribution in rupees. Now this will become our X because we need to find mean contribution. 1,500 2. Then number of persons, that is weight W. How much there are officers? There are 2 officers, 10 clerks and 3 peons, and we expect. So again I will repeat friends, why contribution has become X? Because in the question itself they are clearing, find the mean contribution. So contribution is at the center and contribution is becoming our X, and the remaining is our weightage. So sigma XW, sigma W dash dash. 1000 into 2 is 2000. 500 into 10 is 5000. 200 into 3 is 600. So 7600, and sigma W is 50. Weighted mean X bar W is equals to sigma XW divided by sigma W. 7600 divided by 50. 7600 divided by 15 is, now friends see what is given in our calculator. If we are doing this 506.666666. So what we should write? 2 places after decimals. So 506.6. Now the next digit is more than 5, so it will become 7 and this. Okay friends. So exercise 3.1 sums were left, that were over 4 sums, and 4 sums from 3.2 are over. So much have been done today. Now tomorrow we will continue for exercise 3.3, that is again next type of mean, that is geometric mean. Till that time, that's all for today.